Hi, welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today we're going to show you the features and applications of Aero's T50ACN electric staple gun and nailer. The T50ACN makes any project a breeze. Capable of both stapling and nailing, this tool will come in handy on the job and around the home. The T50ACN features a bottom load magazine and a staple viewing window. The innovative motor drive offers consistent force in every shot, making the T50ACN ideal for stapling into harder surfaces. The contact safety feature requires you to make contact with the surface in order to fire staples, preventing accidental misfires. This tool is especially great for users with limited grip strength. The T50ACN works with all sizes of T50 staples, as well as 5/8" brad nails. This tool is best suited for upholstery, installing insulation, light trim work, and general home repairs. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop. Be sure to tag Aero on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.